How to change TikTok password? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The first step is you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Once you are here, you need to log into your account. For logging in, you can simply tap on your profile option at the right bottom corner. And from over here, you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see your profile like this. So in order to change your password, you need to be over here, and after that you need to tap on the three bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and you need to go for settings and privacy option. Under this, you need to go for account, and here is a password option at the second row. Simply go for that. So before setting the password, TikTok will send you a 6-digit code on your email. So you need to simply go back to your Gmail and check the code and enter over here. Once you copy, you can paste over there and you'll be able to open up in this interface. So finally here you can change your password, but before that you need to know that the password must be of 8 characters. You can go maximum 20 characters. There must be at least one letter in one number and also one special character. Once you are done with entering the password, you can go for next option, and finally your password will be changed. So this is how you change TikTok password. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.